Welcome to Cardboard Circuits. Today we're going to build an LED module. So a little module that has an LED, and when the current is going to pass through, it'll turn on the LED. We have two binder clips. We have a paper fastener here, and then we have a resistor. I got from a kit a resistor. This is a 470 ohms. If you don't know the colors, just look it up. There's many apps and websites that will help you with that. You need a resistor to make sure you don't send too much current through that diode, otherwise it might fry. Okay, so diodes have two pins. One is longer, and if it's longer, it's positive, and if it's shorter, it's negative, and it goes one way, so if you try to wire it the wrong way, nothing's gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna bend the smaller end like this, and I'm going to attach it to one end, one binder clips on the left. So I'm going to put the lower end like this, like that. And then so that I don't forget, I'm just going to mark it as it's my minus. All right. Then I'm going to go and bridge the resistor with the paper fastener. Okay, so to do that, I need a hole, so I'm going to pre-drill the holes because the paper fastener it's not strong enough to go through cardboard. So you kind of want to find a tool, just go ahead and do a big, nice hole, maybe on both sides, just so that this thing can go through. Okay, so the trick here is to squish both cables in the paper fastener. So both of the wires here, wire, put it here. And I'm going to also squish the resistor here, and then squeeze hard, close the paper fastener, get a nice connection here, and then I'm going to attach it here. So it's a bit too long. I'm going to recut my cardboard so that matches my component. Go. Let's see if that works. That should be good enough. Clamp it in. Like that. Okay, so we can bring the power supply to test. Let's see, power supply here. So we got two cables and positive. So let's mark it. Positive. So we're going to go for positive through the diode, and negative, and oh, it happily works. We can even go further and look up the sign that represents a diode and draw it. Kind of. I guess I messed up to do the triangle. Good enough. Now this is an output, so we're going to want to put some green on it to mark that this is an output pin. There's two more things I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the lower one. I'm going to glue a base. Let's see if I have another piece of cardboard somewhere lying around. Here we go. I'm going to mark the pen. Should probably have put that before I put the tape, but that's okay. I'll just put another round of tape. I'm going to add another layer under the module so that it is more sturdy. Always get the glue gun around ready and hot, and just squish it in. And put green again so that we see it both ways. I'm gonna add some glue here. Secured my connections. These things tend to be tossed around. So I can protect my connections. Can even put some here to make sure nothing bad happens here. Okay, one last improvement you can make if you have some is to add a little rubber band. And the rubber band will help making sure that the binding clips are nice and tucked, and you got a nice reusable LED module. Let's test it again just to show how cool it is. So it's pretty cool. It does a light, but it could be a bit brighter, or in fact, we could make it look cooler by adding a straw. So I'm getting a colored straw. I'll probably get some cool effects by picking different straws. And I'm just gonna cut some of it. Let's do a straight cut on this one. And I put it on that. So a little drop of glue, just to make sure it doesn't go away too easily. And stuff it on, turn it like that. And now, got a much cooler effect, and this will look great at night. So we have just built an LED module that's protected by a little resistor here, and that it's ready to use by someone else.